So we just arrived inside the court premises. Mazi,
yeah?
Good morning. We just arrived.
Yes, we just arrived.
Pastor's place.
United States of Biafra, the turnover is around, and we believe that at the end of the day, our PM Simon Ekpa is coming out so that we can continue where we stop.
Yes.
We are going home. Thank you all Biafrans. Thank you all Biafrans in diaspora. Keep your faith strong because Ayakaraka, Ade Biafra. Thank you.
Thank you.
Biafrans. They want Biafrans.
And they will.
As you can see in front of me. God, like maybe. And I want to encourage every Biafran to follow their government because you don't have any other government than the United States of Biafra. Your Prime Minister have told you, your Deputy Prime Minister has made it very clear to you. You don't need anybody to distract you. What you need is to follow your government. You will do this with give our Prime Minister and our William This is in a few minutes we're going to enter the court. Yeah.
Okay, this is new for Ghana. This is new man.
And a man is a mono. It's a mono walk on Supano. It's a mono walk. It's a mono walk.
Yeah.
You know why they wait.
Good morning, Honorable. How do you feel today?
Today, in short, actually, maybe Biafra Keleha, as no rugo, no moment, when I was. I know Nanke, Eba no district court, can you Onisiani, our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, US Prime Minister, and our spokesman, Eba Kaino, Kaiwere, 25th of August 2026. These 2 days, we had Biafra Biafra. Tata Kaina, Prime Minister Yesu, Nala, Obia Chiani, and I say, Biafra land, US all over the world, Jeddah,
Thank you so much. Honorable Okwan, what can you tell the world today?
As in Kanjiro, ohere a wee kelee all Biafrans ndị nọ n'ụlọ. Asịkwa Kanjiro oge wee kelee Biafrans ndị nọ n'obodo ofesi.
Do not mind the distraction, okay? Concentrate.
Achọrọ m ka onye ọbụla mara that the freedom is here. And with that, I'd be very happy that we came here today. And I believe at the end of the day that our PM Simon Ekpa is going home. Not even Nigerian terrorists is going to stop us.
He said,
And ndị Igbo tiri n'isi na ebe bere ugwu ibe ebere ma nke si ibe ebere nkịta na ọ bụrụ sọsọ ụmụ ya gwa mana aka na ọba ya eji
he said, he said,
aka na ọba ya eji because we have come.
he said, he said,
Ụmụ Biafra ekene m.
he said, he said, he said, thank you everyone. I can see everyone is wow, I feel completely extraordinary happy today because I know everything is going as we expected it to be. As we all are here today, we come to give our Prime Minister the best solidarity he deserves, he wants from United States of Biafra, and we all gathered here again. Irrespective of what is happening, what is going on, we are here today.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone. In no longer time, we will be entering inside the court. Then we bombard everything. Freedom! 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 Thank you.
And then, yes, and we have arrived and I'm waiting for the time for the public hearing when the door will be opening and then people will go in. Biafrans are here from all corners of the world and then it's a great thing for us to be here today and then also to witness what is going to happen today. So I thank everybody. Yes, recording, yeah. So, yes, what can you say? First of all, this is Honorable Benchuk. So, what do you have to say before we go inside now the court? What is your experience and what do you see that is going on and how do you feel it? What do you have to tell Biafrans now?
Well, today is 25th of August, 2026. As we came today for the final appeal court of our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, everything is moving as usual. So we are waiting to enter to the court room to see hear the final verdict of what is going on. As we arrive here in the court, there are so much drama from the so-called people, but it's not deterring us. We don't look at any distraction at all. We're only here for business of the day, and we know at the end of the day, victory will be ours. The verdict will be on our side. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome.